Hello and good evening to Madam Haslinda and my group mates. Thank you for spending your time listening to our presentation today. My name is Belinda and here are my teammates that consist of Howie, Caleb and Darwish. As you can see on the slide, today we are from Group 4 will present to you about the clap oscillator. The clap oscillator As for introduction, the clap oscillator or core oscillator is a variation and improvement on the basic Colpitts oscillator. It uses an additional capacitor C3 in series with the inductor, while capacitor C1 and C2 still form the capacitive voltage divider for feedback. The frequency of oscillation is determined by the value of inductance and combined capacitance of C1, C2, and C3 in series. Adding an extra capacitor provides more stable output compared to the Colpitts oscillator. The Colpitts oscillator's phase shift network includes one inductor and two capacitors, whereas the clap oscillator includes one inductor and three capacitors. In the Colpitts oscillator, the feedback factor will get affected because of the difference in the capacitance of two capacitors like C1 and C2. Therefore, it affects the oscillator circuit's output. Hence, a clap oscillator is preferred used over the Colpitts oscillator. Next, I'm passing it to the next person.
Hello, my name is Raphael Caleb Robert and I'll be presenting about the block diagram and also operation of the clap oscillator. As you can see, this is the block diagram of the clap oscillator. As we already know, the clap oscillator is also similar to the Colpitts oscillator. It is a better and advanced variation of the Colpitts oscillator. The difference in the clap oscillator is the capacitor C3 is placed in series with the inductor L, as you can see. Now, I'll present about the operation of the circuit. When power is applied to the capacitors, it charges up the capacitors and also discharges through the inductor L. Oscillations are then applied to the base emitter junction and appear amplified at the collector output. The required external phase shift is obtained with positive feedback for oscillations. Once feedback is given to the transistor, the cycle continues until the output is built up to a desired level and the gain is equal to 1. That's all from me. Thank you.
The clap oscillator is an LC electronic oscillator that uses an inductor and three capacitors to set its frequency. It's a variation of a Colpitts oscillator with an additional capacitor added to the tank circuit to be in series with the inductor. The application of clap oscillator are commonly used in RF signal generator, where they provide stable and accurate signal for testing and measurement purposes. Not only that, they are employed in frequency synthesis circuit, which are used in communication system, local oscillator for measure, and phase lock loop. Besides that, clap oscillator find application in wireless communication system, including mobile phone, wireless router, and satellite communication equipment. And thank you for your watching.